You're going to read.
My name is Sheridan, and I'm going to read Baby Bird. Here's how it goes. Baby Bird. This is the bird that climbed out of the nest. Beep. Flop, chirp, flop, chirp. He fell. This is the squirrel that sniffed at the bird that fell. Keep. This is the bee that buzzed around the bird that fell. This is the frog that jumped over the bird that fell. Croak. Chirp. This is the cat that snarled the bird that fell. It fell itself. That was just as well. Mom?
Yeah?
I don't know.
This is the dog.
This is the dog that opened his mouth wide, and the bird nearly walked inside. This is the bird that wanted to fly, and he sought to give it one more try. Flop, 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 he flew. This is the bird that flew.
Yay!
Chirp, chirp.
Thank you for reading that to us.
Chirp.
Can you blow me a kiss?